Understanding Copy Certification for Notaries with Lisa Sweeting. Hello, Notary professionals. In today's lesson, we're talking about copy certification, a notarial act that can seem simple, but it is often misunderstood, and in some states, even restricted. So let's walk through what the copy certification is, how to perform it properly, and the common mistakes you must avoid. Here is an example of a copy certification notarial certificate from Florida. Depending on your commission state, you may see different wording. Copy certification is not available to notaries in all states, so please check what your state allows. I will also be reviewing a second method of copy certification available to all notaries, which is called copy certification by Document Custodian. A copy certification is a notarial act in which the notary confirms that a copy of an original document is a true, complete, and accurate reproduction of that original. Here are some key points. You are not certifying the contents of the document. You are only certifying that the copy matches the original. Also important, not all states allow notaries to perform copy certifications. And certain documents, like birth certificates or recorded documents, are typically prohibited. Always know your state laws before proceeding. Let's go through the process step by step. First, you need to confirm your authority. Before anything else, make sure your state allows notary copy certifications for this type of document. Require personal appearance is step 2. The document holder must appear before you with the original document. Step 3, examine the original document. Carefully review the original to ensure that it appears genuine, it is complete, and it has no obvious signs of alteration. Step 4, compare the copy to the original. Go line by line and compare the copy to the original document to confirm accuracy. If you are making the copy yourself, this step is even easier to control. Step 5, declaration. In some states, you may need the document holder to declare that the copy is true and correct. Step 6, fill out the copy certification certificate, which typically states that the copy is a true and correct reproduction of the original. 7, sign and affix your seal. You will apply your official notary signature and your seal according to your commission requirements. Copy certification by Document Custodian is a notarized statement where the holder of an original document declares in writing that a copy is a true and accurate reproduction. The custodian signs an affidavit, and the notary uses jurat wording to swear them in. First, the custodian prepares a statement or uses a standard form declaring the copy is accurate. The notary administers an oath or affirmation and notarizes the custodian's signature. This is used in states that prohibit notaries from certifying copies of documents or when the document is not public record. Notaries cannot use this method for vital records such as birth, death, and marriage certificates, or any other public document recorded by a government agency. The document must be in the physical possession of the custodian, and the affidavit must state the copy is an exact, complete, and unaltered replica. Let's go over the most common mistakes. Certifying prohibited documents. Vital records like birth, death, or marriage certificates and recorded documents usually cannot be copy certified by a notary. Not knowing your state laws. Some states don't allow copy certification at all, or only in limited situations. Not comparing thoroughly. A quick glance is not enough. You must carefully verify that the copy matches the original. Certifying without the original present. Never certify a copy unless you've seen the original document. Using incorrect certificate wording. Always use wording that complies with your state's requirements. Assuming responsibility for document validity. You are not validating the document itself, only the accuracy of the copy. Copy certifications require attention to detail and a clear understanding of your authority as a notary. When done properly, you provide a valuable service while protecting yourself from liability. If you found this helpful, be sure to follow for more notary training tips and resources to help you grow and operate with confidence. See you in the next lesson. Here are some additional training resources that are available to you on Amazon. You can find quick links to these books at www.lisasweeting.com. You have Marked for Success, The Notary's Guide to Branding and Marketing. There's also the Loan Signing Agent Playbook, which is about marketing strategies for the loan signing agent business. Apostille Profits, The Notary's Guide to Turning Document Authentication into a Thriving Business. Go directly to Amazon or visit www.lisasweeting.com. Thank you for your attention, and I wish you every success.